All right, my people, welcome back to Gospel News. We are still giving you updates back to back. Finally, they say that the Supreme Court has finally released the CTC to the lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is a barrister lawyer. Jimako, na be this one, we they see here. So, Nnamdi Kanu Supreme Court finally releases CTC of December judgment. And now with this CTC, now they go file appeal at the High Court. We be say they don't transfer the case from the Supreme Court to go back. So now backwards, the case go, not be even front. So we have to repeat class. Now, so the case take BO. If not, they've supposed release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in their last judgment we didn't get for the Supreme Court, but because it's Nigeria now, their matter, they finish and make they go zero the case, go back small. According to what my barrister lawyer Jimako said, he said today the Supreme Court released the CTC of its judgment in Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu. The court also promised to transmit the case files to the Federal High Court by tomorrow. Sooner than later, we shall lock horns at the Federal High Court. Now waiting talk. Say they don't the waka enter inside the Federal High Court to go the way to them, to hold them hand and them capable, hold them ransom, may they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sharply, if they cannot convict him of any crime. Now so the matter take be Igbos will define your presidency by how you handle Nnamdi Kanu. Na barrister lawyer Jimakona in they talk that one. That is a message he sent to the president where they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He say make him do well so that Igbos no go con dey judge am with bad belle ayo, except saying release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now make them go they look am with better eye. I say well sometimes some of these statements, they touch these people when they talk to, they touch them, because if anything were to touch somebody, now the former president will be Buhari, now something supposed to touch, because a lot of Igbo elders went to him and begged him to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, including our what be the man name, self, I don't forget his name, Okwadike now. Late Okwadike, we don't buy, so rest in peace. And this waiting, I don't forget this other Mbazulika Amechi, yes, so may so rest in peace as well. And all those ones, now then Wakaron enter inside that Soroko, go tell Buhari, say, oh yeah, quick, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He even tell and say, now waiting the wish, making do for before he go by. But for where Buhari no listing. So all this one when barrister lawyer Jimako they talk, say Igbos go look at Tinubu. Does these people really care? Will anything happen to them? Nothing happens to them. Even after they do all their evils, nothing happened to them. So that is why they don't care whether Igbo look them with better IU, abi they no look them. So they don't give a fuck about it. Now quickly, the Supreme Court has released the certified true copy of its December 15th, 2023 judgment, which upheld the terrorism charges filed by the Nigerian government against the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. This was announced on Monday by Barrister Loy Ejimako, the special counsel to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The lawyer wrote, today, Monday, the Supreme Court released the CTC of its judgment in the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu. The court also promised to transit the case file to the Federal High Court by tomorrow, which is today. Sooner than later, we shall lock horns at the Federal High Court to free Nnamdi Kanu. Aloy Jimako had earlier said that the failure of the Supreme Court of Nigeria to release the certified true copy of its judgment on the IPOB leader's case amounted to a violation of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ejimako, who said this in a statement issued last Wednesday, said that it had been 33 days after the Apex Court delivered its final judgment in Kanu's case on December 15, 2023, but it failed to release the CTC of the judgment. Recall that the Supreme Court had in its judgment on 15th December ordered that the case between the detained IPOB leader and the Nigerian government be remitted to the Federal High Court for consideration of trial. But Ejimako said that today makes it 33 days after the Supreme Court delivered the final judgment in the case of the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu. Following the delivery of the said judgment on 15th December 2023, applications were filed for the release of the certified true copy, CTC, of the judgment and the enrolled order. But to this day, the Supreme Court is yet to comply. So now, so it take talk. Similarly, on the ending note, Kanu's lawyers could not proceed with his defense without the CTC of the said judgment and the order. Now, he make a demand for the CTC because he could not proceed to his defense or know what he's going to talk about on the defense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu until they receive the CTC of the judgment. So now so it take be as it be so now now so the case now go con start because now they go con give date where they go take try the case or carry and enter inside court where they go judge waiting then talk say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't do inside the matter. So before we leave on the matter, may I bring on some videos of this pastor where talk say in first fruit, if you tamper with him first fruit, this pastor, if you tamper with his first fruit, you go collect. Make una hear am winning the demand for money, no be small one.
So I don't want it to be like I'm trying to. I struggle.
Format.
Honestly speaking, I struggle to ask for fund.
Yes, sir.
It's a struggle.
Yes, sir.
I struggle with that one. That's one thing I need to get born again with. I need to be born again on that one. I struggle with the Holy Spirit a lot on that one. This is what I've asked you to do. The Bible said that we cannot donate. Everybody have given their gold, their silver, their frack, this, that. So let me do it. I need to. Should I say it?
Don't say it.
Should I say it? Lord, this is not force or duress, but I want, God said, the ministers, people who came here, must from their heart do it. And He says to me, I should tell you that He's going to unlock financial doors in your ministries. Fraud. It's going to take a sacrifice of a seed that I'm about to call for. I have exhausted every possible platform to legalize myself in the United States to do my work. Do you understand that? I have a work to be done that God has sent me there for the work. But I cannot be operating under B1, B2 visas. It has a restriction. Are you get what I'm trying to say? A lot of restrictions. I've done all my investigations the most reputable, reliable, and dignified way I can gain my visa is called EB5. I'm not sure you know EB5. Okay, it's an investment of $800,000 US, and you get your green card. Are you hearing me? But you will get it back in 5 years' time. Does that make sense now? So the man of God needs $800,000 US to get it done. We've signed up with the immigration lawyers, and they're waiting for us to begin the process. Is somebody hearing me? So God has asked me to throw that to you. If we can have 800 people that can give $1,000 what? Dollars. It's done. Is there anybody here right now who in their spirit you know that God will touch you to do it? Anybody here? Wave your hands if you will. Month salary is your first fruit of the year. It is for me, not for church. I want to challenge you by the Spirit of God. I fear nobody and I fear no criticisms. If you call me your spiritual father, this month's salary is your first fruit of the year. It is for me, not for church. It is for it is for this altar. It is for this oracle. Are you hearing me? It is for this vessel, this one God has prepared. It is for my welfare. If you honor me with the first fruit of your first year, at the middle of this year, if you don't testify, come back, I'll give back to you. I put that there. You will see wonders. Covenant with my spirit. Paul said, though I be absent, but I am what? Present in the spirit. I've judged you. I may not be visible to you, but I am watching in the realms. Paul was a man of realms. I'm going to expose a lot of things. People are asking, what do you mean by realms? What is dimensions? What they have for 7? Don't worry. This year, I'm going to show you mysteries in the scriptures. The men who God used were men of realms. And God is restoring the realms, the ministry of realms. I said, God is restoring the ministry of realms. And if you call me your father or your mentor, you connect, you're a son of this house. Make sure it's done.
All right, Mona, don't use on eyes, take see the matter, see the happen so. Make una drop on a comment down there. Make we hear what you wanna get to talk over these issues. We be say in the region. I go see you now for the next update. Don't forget to contact Herbal Care Center in case you get any problem. Man, we be say you they suffer for the other room. Say women they beat you hands down there. I beg cure that sickness by buying Nakman capsules from Herbal Care Center. They get ubunge medicine for different ailments. They get BP. That is people will be say that they get high blood pressure. They get medicine will be say if they give you, my brother. You go get yourself, and all of them na herbal product to no be all this chalk where they say give you herbal product. In case you get diabetes too, then get the solution to that very sickness. Tuberculosis, prostate cancer, just name them. They don't do research tire, can't get solution for these issues. I beg, just contact them with the numbers on the screen, depending on your location. If you dey Europe, then they there. In case you dey America, then they there. You dey Australia, you dey Australia, we dey China, you dey Nigeria, you dey Abuja, you dey Enugu, you dey Calabar, you dey Akwa Ibom, you dey Abia State, you dey Aba, you dey Onitsha. Anywhere when belle face, then get offices around the world. Try and contact them today and complain no more. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.